guys, and welcome back to my channel. This is Chrissy and you are watching Eternally Grateful Seas. And in today's video, yes, I have a Dollar Tree haul for you. And it is quite a large haul. I even had to take some things out of the bag to use already. But let's dive right in. So I picked up this, which is shave gel for men. It's a decent size. I don't know if we've ever tried this one before in the house. So yeah, okay. So that, and like I said, it's a nice size. What does it say? Compare to Focus. Is that Dove? I can't tell. Sorry. Okay, and then I seen this there, which I'm kind of regretting I didn't pick up more, because this is a nice size bottle. Sorry, let's put that on. Okay, this is Safeguard Liquid Hand Soap Refill, and it washes away bacteria, 22 ounces. And I do want to go back when I can and pick up more of these, because this is again a nice size refill, and I like the fact that it washes away any bacteria, or so it claims, and this, let's see now, it says here, yes, it is not Dove, sorry, compared to Gillette shave gel, on the shave gel for men. Okay, next is I've bought this before, and they still have the other scents in the Lady Speed Stick and in the Men's Speed Stick body wash. This one is Rose Delight. I really like it. Like I said, we've bought them before and they're good. These I've been picking up a lot lately. You get 10 of these for $1. And I will say, of course, they're not the greatest razors, but they do work well in a pinch for 10 for $1. So that's a repeat item. This is another repeat item. This is the Pond's, and it is the Perfect Color Complex. I've bought this quite a few times already. It works really well. I highly recommend it. It's definitely worth $1 for sure. These just to have in the house, Fisher Price wipes, 72 count, fragrance free. I think they did have another option there of these, or maybe even 2 other options. I forgot, but anyway, moving along. So Craft a Square finger protectors, 3 of these for $1. And I'm going to try to use these when I use my hot glue gun. Tell me what you guys use these for. That's what I'm going to use it for my hot glue gun, when I make like crafts or make like my wreaths and stuff. So yeah. When I was in the beauty section yesterday, Dollar Tree, they have something like this that is in pink also, but a lighter pink, and it's the larger size caps in these, and it's for your nails. I was thinking about picking those up. And these are repeat buy. This is, how many are you getting here? 5? Or is it 5 blades? And no, you get 3 count. It's for men, and it's 5 blades on here. And again, this is a repeat buy. We have this one, the Barbasol, 4. I thought you got 5 in these. I feel like we used to get 5 in these. I don't know. Comment down below if you bought these and you feel like you got the 5 in there instead of 4 razors. Okay, and then I wanted to get some washi tape. This one says Craft a Square 5-piece. They did have, different ones. I wanted to try these. I thought they looked, I can't talk today. I thought they looked cute. Anyway, I seen someone else haul these on another YouTube channel that does Dollar Tree hauls. These are power clips. And it is gray, blue, and red. Food storage, small toys, craft supplies, and paper files. So it's multi-purpose clips. Okay. I just thought they were for, like potato chip clips or whatever, and they look pretty sturdy. So I figured let me give these a try because I've tried other ones from Dollar Tree. Some work good, some don't. So we'll see. All right, moving along. Like I said, this is a big haul. Okay, so we got the curling ribbon. This says 80 feet. You have the typical colors, gold, silver, red, and green for Christmas. So pick that up. And then picked up some more ribbon. Crafter Square, but this wasn't in the Crafter Square either, was this one. It was in the Christmas aisle. So thought this was pretty. Pick that up. What else we got? Oh, another razor. I was on a razor kick yesterday, huh? This is the Assured Mini Razor. I've seen other people haul this. I've heard decent things about it. So yeah, tried this out. Silky skin. What does it say? Gentle smoothness. So we'll see. It says compact, portable, on the go. Alright, moving along. I wanted to... Whoops. Is this already open? Oh, the top. Yeah, I like that they do this now. I don't remember them doing this. But, oh, that smells so good. I just wanted to get like a nice lemon scent. This is going to be good for the kitchen. So pick that up. What else we got? We have got this little cute plush. They really did themselves good this year on the little plush stuffed animals. This is so adorable. And this is going to our guinea pigs. And it's a nice little size. Like, I will say Dollar Tree has improved a lot over the years with their products. Their products definitely have gotten a lot better quality. Okay, so soap dish. And what I am going to do with this soap dish is actually I'm going to put my sponge here that I use in the kitchen to wash dishes. So I'm going to put this like in towards the back of, I guess, or maybe towards the side of the sink. So either back or I don't know. I'll figure it out when I'm in the kitchen. But I'm not using this to hold soap. I'm just going to use it to hold the sponge, because somebody else hauled this and said that it's a good idea to like hide your sponge if you can, your sponge to wash dishes in the kitchen, because it makes it look like just nicer and cleaner and neater. So I'm gonna try that. And then I picked up another little cute plushie toy. So cute. I guess this one should go to the guinea pigs too. When I say should, I bought them some other ones too. Or maybe I'll keep this one for, you know, Christmas decoration. I don't know. It's just so adorable. They really, look at these two. For $1 each, they have really stepped up their game. Dollar Tree, you go Dollar Tree. These are the ones that I'm going to give to the guinea pigs. This one, right, he's so adorable. He is so cute. Again, for only $1. You cannot go wrong. Look at the little elephant. He's so cute. Okay, so we have these guys right here. So adorable. So cute. And, you know, you can even pick these up and, like, put them in, like, a donation box, too. You know, like, maybe, like, Toys for Tots or something like that. So that's a good idea. And keep in mind, I might do that. I mean, I used to do that. I haven't really done that, not anyway so far this year. But, yeah. So, this little guy I'm going to show you is also a little plush. And he is so cute. I'm just wondering if... Okay, this is a hat. I don't know why I thought it would be like kind of a Santa Claus hat, but in blue. I don't know what I'm thinking. And he's got the little, you know, like, you know, Velcro. What is he? He's a snow... It's like a snowman in his legs. And he was the only one there, actually. Like, the only one there. And I think in this color too. Yeah. Or maybe, I'm sorry, no, there was one there, I think, he was different, actually. It wasn't this kind, it was a different kind, but he was the only one just like this. Like, they didn't have one with a different color hat or anything, but I don't know if they made them more different ones this year. But I just thought that was so cute. Then I picked this up. I seen someone else haul this. This is 1 and 2, so it is the vitamin C and E 3-step facial kit, and it is by Be Pure sheet mask. So I'm really excited to try this out. So yeah, so that, and then what else we got? Okay, these are gonna go to my son, and it's Warhead's 20-piece sour candy. I usually get him the Sour Patch Kids, but I seen these there in the section of all the Christmas candy, and I was like, you know what? Let me try, get these. Let me try these, see if he likes these. Green apple, black cherry, and blue raspberry are the flavors. That's not a bad deal. 20 pieces for $1. Cannot go wrong. What else? Oh, yes, been dying to try these. The stirring spoons, milk chocolate. I was looking for, I was going to say bath bombs. Okay, guys, no. We are not putting bath bombs in a cup and drinking it. What's it called? The Coco bombs. So milk chocolate flavored, and a melt away chocolate treat. So it says mix in coffee, enjoy, mix in more milk. So gonna give these a try. I'll let you know how they are. Or if you guys tried them, let me know how they are. Okay, this is also from my son, Trolley Sour Bite Trees. Thought that looked cute. And I don't remember if we've tried, I don't remember if we tried this chocolate before. Premium chocolates for $1. I don't remember. So if you guys tried them, let me know. I mean, they do look like a dupe of like the name brand chocolates, but they probably don't taste like the name brand chocolates. And then I picked up this bag. I just thought this was cute. I like this design on it, like that inside, and I like the classic Santa on the sleigh with the reindeer. It's not a big bag. This one was like a smaller size, but yeah. All right. And then I picked up another stocking, which we have stockings, but it's always good to have extra. And I like that they started coming out with a lot of the like name brand or characters and stuff, because last year I ended up finding a Wonder Woman. So, and this year I found this one. And then I think they had a Batman, which if I go back, I might get the Batman actually too. Which I'm kind of regretting I didn't get when I was there. But, alright. So, this is Sweet Chaos, right? Shriveled popcorn, Peppermint Crunch. I saw someone on, one of my friends on Instagram post this. So, I don't think I tried this last year. I don't remember, but I don't think so. Yeah, it's hard to tell. I get so much stuff from Dollar Tree. I should remember, but I don't know. But anyway, I thought this was cute. 3-piece craft a square. And it's the baker's twine. And I like that they give you the yellow and white, and then the black and white as option instead of just... well, I was looking for this one, but I like that they give you the 3 for $1. So that's that. And this, I'm pretty sure we bought this once before and it was fine. Was it this one or was it another one? I think it was this one. And this reminds me of the actual name brand that I have in the house, which is, I can't think of the name of it now. I have it for morning and for at night. I have 2 bottles. One is orange like this, and then the nighttime is blue. I was going to say Neutrogena, but I can't think of it. But anyway, what is this, 8 ounces. So yeah, I mean, for $1, can't go wrong. Picked up some more batteries. That's that's a double A and triple A. So got those. And then I picked up some more Christmas balls. Actually, I've been looking for these, and this was the only one there with the pink like this. So I scooped those up, so it must have been meant for me. And then this little guy keeps falling out. This is the lip balm, and they did have this in one other flavor there. It was like, I think, an orange or a citrus. This is the acai berry, and I already tried it, and I love it. It's like a dupe to EOS, which I have. So yeah, so I like that. And then picked up this little floral. Don't know exactly what arrangement I'm gonna make or use this for, but okay. Then I picked up some more chocolates. These are the name brands name brand, and it's the Godiva. So I don't think these were 2 for $1. I think these were $1 each. So just keep that in mind. I think so. And then what else I got here? And then I got these boxes, which one is that one, and then you have this one. And I did pick up another set, but I already used them, which was different, you know, decoration design on them. And you really can't go wrong for 2 boxes for $1. And they did have smaller boxes. They did have other options. So yeah, you can't go wrong with that. And that looks like that is going to conclude our Dollar Tree haul for today. It was quite a large one. There's the mess there. It was quite a haul. And thank you guys for liking, subscribing, sharing, commenting, all that good YouTube stuff. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.